Hi everyone, I'm Slava, member of the service delivery team here at Appdome. Appdome helps mobile developers and cyber pros deliver the toughest problems in mobile app cheat prevention, fast. Let's talk about cheat tool called GameGuardian. If your mobile game is popular, chances are there's a way to use GameGuardian to cheat in it. Here are my top 3 reasons to block GameGuardian. First, GameGuardian directly affects mobile game developers and publishers' businesses by targeting monetization and impacting revenues. 2. GameGuardian gives cheaters an advantage against other players, which eventually will erode your user base as non-cheaters become frustrated and churn. 3. A significant amount of cheating can erode your brand over time. If you're looking for a fast and easy way to block GameGuardian, take a look at Appdome. Appdome is an automated system for mobile app defense. Our product delivers block GameGuardian feature into Android mobile games within the CI/CD pipeline in seconds, no code, no SDK, and no servers required. If you found this video useful, please share it with a colleague or friend. Be safe, keep your mobile app and users safe too. Thank you for watching.